Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the December 2025 Potomac Beads Treasure Edition subscription box to share with you all today. I'll put a link in the description box below to the page on the Potomac Beads website where you can go and read about both of their subscription boxes and sign up if it's something that you're interested in. So I'm going to open it up here and see what the theme is. Festive Radiance. The Festive Radiance treasure box glimmers with the lights and sparkle of the season. This curated collection of rich, radiant beads and shimmering accents is perfect for adding a touch of holiday glam to your creations. Included is a laser-cut stacking tree that can be crafted with the knotting cord to create a charming seasonal keepsake ornament. Let every piece you make shine with the warmth and elegance of the season. And then on the back is everything that's in the box. And there's that knotting cord they were talking about. Pretty bicones and pearls. So hold on, I'll get everything sorted out. Okay, I've got everything sorted out now. And first are some check glass towel beads. They're 16 millimeters and the color is opaque red travertine. And those are really, really pretty. Big towel beads. It's really, really pretty. And then next are some 11-0 Azuki seed beads. The color is opaque fuchsia. Pretty festive red color. And then next are some tublet beads. The color is crystal etched vitriol full. Get a few of them on a pin here. Oh, those are the little tublet beads. Really pretty. And then next are some round duo mini beads. The color is metallic emerald. These are 4 millimeters. And of course the round duo minis have 2 holes. I can get a pin in one of them and you can see the other one. I'm afraid this pin is too thick to go in these. I need a needle, which I don't have right here at hand, but they have 2 holes there. There we go. I always think they look like little owl faces. That's a really pretty color. And then next are some faceted round trio beads. The color is crystal amber. Well, it said round trio beads, but these are fire polish beads. They don't have 3 holes, I don't think. Oh, yeah, they do. No, they don't. Well, I don't know. I can't tell you. Yeah, they do. They do have 3 holes. It's just kind of hard to see because they're so shiny. Let's see if I can zoom in. There are 2 little holes there next to the 1 hole. I think I've got a fire polish bead. No, I've got that one in through the center. That's what that is. That one, the first one I put in through the center hole. And the second I put in through one of the outer holes. I'm going to force that. My pen is bent. I don't want to force it. It'll break it. Those are really, really pretty. Sort of clear on one side and not on the other side. And then next are some Iris Duo beads. The color is White Shimmer. Of course, the Iris Duo beads have 2 holes too. There's one on its side there. A really pretty color. And then next is a Potomac Crystal Water Drop Pendant. And the little baggie doesn't have, that says crystal, and then I don't know what the whole color is or what size it is. It's pretty big. It's really, really pretty. There's the back. All kinds of colors in there. Purples and greens. It's just beautiful. And then next are 2 Potomac Crystal Pear Drop Beads. The color is Purple Flare, and they're 18 by 13 millimeters. And let's see, the hole goes through these. Yeah, the hole goes through these like that. Those are really pretty. This one has more purple in it than this one does, I think. Really, really pretty. And then next are some check glass star beads. It doesn't have the size or color on these, so I don't know what they are. Let's see if I can get them on a pen here. These are really neat. And then next is the Bead Tech knotting cord that they were talking about. It's gold. It's a really pretty color. 65.62 feet, 20 meters, 0.5 millimeter. And then next is a gemstone mix. It says pink tones. Those are really pretty, all kinds of pretty colors. And then next are some Potomac pearls, some of my favorite Potomac pearls. These are 6 millimeters, and the color is pale white satin. Those are really pretty. And then next are 2 Athena cast links. It says hollow filigree. Those are really pretty. Really, really pretty links. Like a pretty pair of earrings. And then next are some Potomac crystal bicones. They're 4 millimeters, and the color is emerald. A really pretty color of green. I love Potomac pearls and bicones. They're so well made. Always so beautiful. And then next are some Potomac Crystal Rose Montes. The color is Color Shift Green Fire. I'll get one up here on my finger so you can see it better. Of course, the Monty has the crisscross in the back. If I can. I don't know if that color's coming across very good on my camera or not, but it's really pretty. It's got all those purples and greens in it. And then Hemu wood beads. It's a mix of wood beads. Of course, you could. These stars have the protective coating that you can take off. Of course, these round ones you could bead around them. It's really neat. And then last are the laser cut discs that they were talking about, that you could use the knotting cord and build a, what did it say, a tree or charming seasonal laser cut stacking tree that can be crafted with the knotting cord to create a charming seasonal keepsake ornament. That's really cool. All those different sizes of disc beads. It's really neat. And that's everything. So hold on, I'll get everything together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in the December 2025 Potomac Beads Treasure Edition subscription box called Festive Radiance. Really beautiful beads and bindings and cord and all kinds of things in this box. Really neat, really pretty. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description box below to the page on the Potomac Beads website where you can go and read about both of their subscription boxes and sign up if it's something that you're interested in. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry and some grab bags of extra beads that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.